Onye Igbo. Onye Igbo. Igbo person. So let's say you want to find out where someone is from and you'll be like, Ibonye. Ibonye. Who are you? And Ibonye can also come in another context, right? So Ibonye, maybe someone is trying to find out who is that, or also someone is trying to find out where you are from. So the person can be like, Ibonye. Who are you? Abum Onye Igbo. I'm an Igbo person. Abum Onye Igbo. Or the person can be like, Ibonye. Who are you? And then you mention your name. Abum Onyinye. Abum Onyinye. I'm Onyinye. So it depends on the context. It depends on the situation, right? So Abum Onye Igbo. I'm an Igbo person. Anyị bụ ndị Igbo. We are Igbo people. So when you say Anyị, you are acknowledging group of people, right? Anyị bụ ndị Igbo. We are Igbo people. Ha bụ ndị Igbo. Ha bụ ndị Igbo. They are Igbo people. So you are referring to group of people as well. So when you say ha, you are referring to group of people. When you say Anyị, you are acknowledging group of people. Do you understand? So ha bụ ndị Igbo. Anyị bụ ndị Igbo. Abum Onye Igbo. Ịghọta?